Welcome back to Rajini Kiranmai YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the key elements of business model. So before knowing about the key elements, let me say what is a business model. Business model refers to the set of processes combined together and work to achieve company's goal. A good business model is the method of doing business by which a company can yield revenue, growth, and market dominance. A business model consists of various components by which a business can address all the key functions, including expenses, revenues, operating strategies, scale, and marketing strategies. So, the key elements of the business model in order to make that business model successful are six. The first key element is value proposition. Second one is a revenue model. Third, market opportunity. Fourth one, competitive environment. Fifth one, competitive advantage. And last key element is the management team. So now let us look to each and every key element in detail. Coming to value proposition defines the strategy by which a company can make their product or services as per the customer demands. That is, it is going to talk about or it is going to define about different long-term plans where the company develop the product or services which satisfies the customer needs. So it defines how a company can fulfill their customer needs. Not only just fulfilling the customer needs, it also solves the customer's problems by reducing the product search or price discovery cost, and also facilitating the transactions by managing the product delivery. So this is how we have to solve the customer problems, and it also satisfies the customer needs. So briefly, in order to say e-business to become successful, it should include value propositions like personalization or customization of the products. Second one, reduction of product search and price discovery cost. And third one, facilitation of transactions by managing product delivery. Coming to the second key element of business model is revenue model. So it is going to talk about the structure for generating the revenue. That means this model defines the strategies by which a company can earn revenue, generate profits, and produce a better return on investment. So that is the reason why we can say this revenue model is a key component of company's business model. So nowadays, many online companies are generating the revenues by using multiple input streams like advertising revenue model, subscription revenue model, affiliate revenue model. Coming to the advertising revenue model, this model has company putting some ad space on their sites in order to give the ads and generate the money from number of visitors who just see or sometimes click on them. So that means advertising revenue model is going to generate revenue by advertising about their product or services on their websites. Second one, that is a subscription revenue model. So this model generates a revenue by charging customers a recurring fee that is processed at regular intervals. So this model is built to establish a long-term relationship with customers who will pay regularly for access to the product or the services that the company is going to generate. And hence, sometimes we call this subscription revenue model as recurring revenue model. Lastly, that affiliate revenue model. This model works on the principle of commission. That means merchants advertise and sell their products through partner, that is affiliate website or sometimes other media, but doesn't pay anything for just the placement of ads or links. So it is a pay for performance model, and the best examples for this affiliate revenue model were eBay, Amazon. Now let us move to the third key element, that is market opportunity, where market opportunity refers to the company's intended market space and overall potential financial opportunities. What is this market space? Market space refers to the actual area or potential commercial value in which the company intends to do business. So, the reason behind this market space or market opportunity analysis is to determine whether it is worthwhile for an organization to activate its resources to provide a new product or service to a specific market. The best example is Airtel showroom. Sometimes, in order to get any Airtel chargers, we have to go to a specific showroom, that is Airtel showroom. So, in order to facilitate the customer, sometimes they are going to arrange some market spaces at different locations like college exhibitions, where in that market space they do their products marketing. So, this is nothing but it refers to some potential commercial value in which the company intends to do the business. Fourth key element is the competitive environment, where it refers to the other companies selling the same product in the same marketplace. Not only this, we include it also include both direct and indirect competitors even. So coming to the direct competitors or the businesses that are selling the same type of product or service, and indirect competitors or the businesses that still compete even though they sell a different service or product. Coming to the competitive advantage, it refers to the company when it produces and brings a better product at lower cost than most of all its competitors. So, the competitive strategy is defined as the intensive and comprehensive long term plan of a particular company in order to gain competitive advantage over its competitors in the industry. So, this competitive advantage can be achieved if company has more resources than other participants. And last key element is a management team. A strong management team is responsible for making the business model work. So this management team must have a market specific knowledge and experience in implementing business plans even. So sometimes they do copies the business models of any other successful businesses, but the management team, that is a strong management team, should examine the elements required to their business, not only just copying the other business models which are very successful. So these are the key elements of business model. Thank you for watching the video.